What would happen if the Earth and all terrestrial objects suddenly stopped spinning, but the atmosphere retained its velocity? At the equator, the Earth's surface is moving at about 470 meters per second, a little over 1,000 miles an hour, relative to its axis. If the Earth stops and the air doesn't, the air there will suddenly be moving over the surface at 470 meters per second. For reference, supersonic speed is 343 meters per second. The wind would be highest at the equator, but everyone and everything living between 42 degrees north and 42 degrees south, which includes about 85% of the world's population, would also experience sudden supersonic winds. But the winds here would still be twice as strong as those in the most powerful real-world tornadoes. Buildings would still be smashed flat, torn from their foundations, and sent tumbling across the land. A lot of people below the surface of the ground would survive the initial event just fine. There would be other lucky survivors, like the scientists and staff at the Amundsen Scott Research Station at the South Pole. The wind would also have momentum, which would transfer into waves which would sweep around the globe, west to east, and every west-facing shore would encounter the largest storm surge in world history. It would be like a combination of normal wind-driven waves and a tsunami. A turbulent wall of water would flow ashore, reaching in some places many miles inland. If the Earth stopped spinning completely, the normal cycles of day and night would end. The sun wouldn't completely stop moving across the sky, but it would slow down a lot. As the Earth's orbit carried us in a circle, we would see the sun rise and set exactly once a year. Earth would experience 6 months of daylight and 6 months of night. On the day side, the surface would bake under the constant sunlight, while on the night side, the temperature would plummet.